Making candles using old vases and planters as a vessel. Hello guys, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, we will be making some candles. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get started. The first thing I'll do is melt those old wax that I had from a previous project. For the first idea, I'm using one of the planters. I went on and added my wick. Unfortunately, I missed that part of the video. I'm sorry about that. But to get the wax in, I went on and added some black color to it so it can be a darker shade. And I'll simply pour it into the planter and allow it to dry. And already this is how the first one turned out. For the second idea, I'll be using this next planter with some pearl adhesive, and I'll go ahead and decorate the planter with that. For this one idea, there is so many things that you can use, including diamond wrap. And already I love how the pearl wrap already elevate the planter. And now to give it some height, I'll go ahead and use those pearl beads and add at the bottom. This is how I went on and added my wig. So for this one, I will also add 2 wigs. So I had the glue dots and the wig itself. So I simply added that and used some pin to hold the wig in place before I put in my wax. I have not mentioned anything about the fragrance of the candle because the wax that I'm using was from an old project that was already scented vanilla. And if you were to make this project and want some beautiful scents for your candle, you can also go to Amazon and find a wide variety of scents that you can choose from, as well as different colors for your candle. And this is how the second candle turned out. This is so beautiful. Who would have thought this vessel was an old planter? For idea number 3, I'll be using this old vase that I had sitting around, and to decorate it, I'll be using some rhinestone. This was already self-adhesive, so the only thing I had to do was to cut it to size. I also added this rhinestone to make it more beautiful and have more shine. Once I finished with decorating it, I added my 2 wicks before pouring in my wax. For that one, I used some clear wax that I already had and added some gold leaf to it and also added the vanilla scent. And this one is my favorite so far. I like how beautiful the vase is. And for the last idea, we're purposing another vase, so I simply decorate it with rhinestone all around as well as with mirror tiles. So once I was able to finish decorating the vase, I melted my wax and added my scent in colors of my liking and just put it in. A few things that we have learned that we will need to make candles from home. The first will be to have containers. Those containers can be repurposed from old vases or planters that we might have sitting at home. We just need to be sure that they are heat resistant. Second, we will need wax. Those wax can be from any old candles that we might have, or even getting some brand new wax from your local craft store or from amazon.com. Next, we will need fragrance. For that, it can be essential oils or fragrance from Amazon, and the same goes for the color. You can definitely find different colors from the website on amazon.com. And at last, you just need to be creative. Create as many colors or scent of your liking. And if you need to, you can also decorate your containers. And voila, just like that, as easy as that, you can make some beautiful candles for your home and make sure that it is your fragrance of choice and it can be decorated to your liking. And this is how the last one turned out. So beautiful, just like the other three that we have already made. I am so happy that I was able to repurpose old planters in vases that were heat resistant to create some beautiful home decor. Not only home decor, but candles that will help my home to smell so good. I hope you guys did enjoy this project and learn a thing or two from it. If so, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not already, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you into the next video. Bye.